here's a real challenge for beginner drummers. The ability to play 3 limbs at the same time, particularly the kick, the snare, and the hi-hat. This can be really challenging. Just those 3 limbs working together, playing at the same time, right? Of course, at this point, you're probably pretty good at just 2 limbs, but maybe you're not. You gotta make sure that that's down. You're getting this hand here in your kick, maybe this hand in your kick. Make sure that those are right. Then you can move on to the 3 limbs. Now let's go ahead and do some exercises more than just that motion. I'm gonna do quarter notes with the 3 limbs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we're gonna do 1/8 notes, and I'm gonna work 1/8 notes in with my hi-hats, and then with my snare, and then with my kick, while the other limbs are just doing quarter notes. Here we go. I'm gonna start with quarter notes and then work 1/8 note hi-hats in. That's quarter notes. 1/8 notes. Now I'm going to do the exercise, start with quarter notes and work 1/8 note snare drums in. Okay, lastly, with this exercise, quarter notes on the hi-hat and snare, 1/8 note kicks. Okay guys, if you haven't already, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and all that good stuff. Hit the notification bell. See you guys next time.